Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Bourbon County in central Kentucky, west central Nicholas County in central Kentucky, southeastern Harrison County in central Kentucky, until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Cynthiana, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cynthiana, Breckenridge, Connorsville, Shawin, Oddville, Garnet, Morning Glory, Hooktown, Lair, and Poindexter. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.